the challenge we're all facing is that, we do have this water stress around the world, and the UN, declared, this International Decade for Action on Water, which is a beautiful thing. But right now, we're at this place where almost 1 in 2 are with water stress, and you feel it more in India than we do here in the US. But it's in different parts of the globe, and what's crazy is that the environmental impact, the way we care for our waters, is the reason why sometimes we need to go to atmospheric water, because of the quality and the disposal of plastics and a proliferation. This week, we just had an announcement by the EPA on the PFAS concerns, which is all of the utilities focused on what can we do in addition to focusing on the lead problems. And I will just share that when I worked on atmospheric water for about 1.5 years, we realized that the real draw is people desire to have control of their water. And while everyone says it's very expensive, most of those people, about 30% of the utility market for water has been lost to bottled water or RO systems. And atmospheric water can be preferable to the bottled water in terms of pricing. And Roland Walgren, if you don't know of Roland, he has served many people since 1985, digesting, and he runs atmoswater.com and discusses the availability of water with the rivers of the world holding 5 to 6, with the atmosphere holding 5 to 6 times as all the rivers in the world. And if we serve just 50 liters to all 7 billion people, we would use just 0.002% of the water in the atmosphere, which is suggests that there is abundance there. The challenge is the energy needed to capture it. But India's been leading, and you all may know Watermaker, which is in the Jalamudi village, and it's been in use now for 13 years, I believe. And it's just a great example of outfitting a whole village with atmospheric water with solar powered resources to drive it. Similarly, Phuket, Thailand has a hotel that supplies all of its guests with atmospheric water, focusing on the purification value and the also remineralizing it, which is a part of atmospheric water that needs to be addressed. And I had the chance to sample the WaterGen water. I was quite impressed that they raised the pH level and through mineralization, and it's amazing taste of the future, as they say. But I think that's what we'd love to hear is biogel, and some of the trains in India are now using atmospheric water. And so Nandakumar, if you could just comment on where the research is going right now at ICCW and what you all see as the hope that atmospheric water provides, that would be wonderful.